breakfast එක අද ඔයාලා ඉන්නේ Malay breakfast එකක් කොච්චර රසද කියලා බලන්න. මොන වගේ Malay breakfast ද මේ තියෙන්නේ කියලා. So, park the car here. Let's go and taste the Malay breakfast in Singapore Adam Food Court. Malay breakfast වල කතා කරනකොට breakfast වර්ග 3ක් 4ක් අපි තෝරගත්තා. soto ayam, mie rebus, ගොඩක් ආස හිතන දෙයක් තමයි මේ කිරිබත්. ඒකට මෙයාලා කියනවා nasi lemak කියලා. එතකොට nasi lemak ඒ වගේම තව එක breakfast එකක් තියෙනවා lontong noodle dish එක. යමු බලන්න කාලා. Let's go. අපි මේ පිටිපස්සෙන් තියෙන්නේ Adam Food Center කියන තැන. මේක ගොඩක් heritage place එකක්. ඉතින් මෙතන අද පේනවා වාහන තියෙනවා ගොඩක් කට්ටිය පිරලා ඉන්නවා. අපි මාසයක් දාගෙන ඉන්න ඕනේ. ඉතින් මෙතන ඉන්න ambassadors මාසෙක දාලා තිබ්බේ නැත්තම් $300ක තඩයක්. $300 fine for you if you know mass. Okay, let's go and try Malay traditional breakfast in Singapore. Guys, you can see the morning quite busy. This is the rasa nasi lemak. Nasi lemak was a Malay breakfast. You can see the long queue. If you want to buy that, we have to be in the very long queue. Queue until here. Quite a number of people here today. Have to find the table first. Not only Malay breakfast here. You can find all the Chinese and Indian food, everything here. So what I can see here, this nasi lemak is going to be famous here, I think. So that's why we will try them first. යාළුවනේ අද මම ඉන්නේ මෙතන Adam food court කියන තැන. මේක ටිකක් famous Malay food වලට. ඉතින් ඒකයි අපි මෙතන හොයාගෙනම ආවේ. ඔයාලට පේනවා ඇති nasi lemak. එතකොට ඊට හැබැයි තියෙන nasi lemak. මම පෙන්නනවා මොකද්ද nasi lemak කියන්නේ කියලා. එතකොට මේ පැත්තෙන් තියෙනවා Adam chicken rice. Chicken rice usually we can find අපිට ගොඩක් වලට හොයාගන්න වෙන්නේ non halal, ඒ කියන්නේ Chinese chicken rice. but මෙතෙන්ට ආවම Malay halal chicken rice හොයාගන්න පුළුවන්. ඉතින් ඊට හැබැයි තියෙනවා තවත් mie rebus. අපි අද mie rebus එකක් try කරන්න යනවා. ඒ වගේම සතේ. ඉතින් ඒ වගේ ගොඩක් දේවල් breakfast වලට ගන්න දේවල් මෙතන තියෙනවා. ඔයාලට පේනවා ඇති ගොඩක් කට්ටිය ලොකු queue එකක් තියෙනවා මෙතන මේ Malay කඩවල වලට. ඉතින් ගොඩක් දුරට මෙතන හරි ප්‍රසිද්ධයි Malay කෑම වලට. Okay, this is after 20 minutes queue up. I got this name is Royal Rumble. Royal Rumble. This is this thing.
We call it ota.
This one called ota.
It's a fish cake.
Okay.
Fish. They mash the fish with the ingredient, then they pack and
I see.
they'll do the fire burn.
Okay, looks like a banana leaf. Is it? Yeah. It's wrapped with banana leaf and then the barbecue. Okay, we put it one side. What is this? This is actually small fish, right?
Fried fish.
Okay, we can see that. Small fish.
We call in Malay ikan goreng.
Ikan goreng. Ikan is fish, goreng is fried. Okay, deep fried fish. Okay. When you order this nasi lemak, you get two type of fish. So this is
anchovies and
anchovies. අපි සිංහලෙන් කිව්වොත් මේක හාල්මැස්සු. ඉතින් හාල්මැස්සු with the peanut. I can't find the peanut. I think there is a peanut there. Okay. Next I can see Bergedil.
Bergedil is a potato, mashed potato.
Okay. So we find the bergedil actually Okay, the Bergedil, right?
Bergedil.
Bergedil actually is like cutlets. Totally is a potato, right?
With the ingredient they fry.
Right. Put one side. Okay. What is this red color thing?
This is sambal. We call sambal nasi lemak.
Special sambal for nasi lama.
Yeah.
Okay. Why they call nasi lama? What is the nasi?
Nasi is rice with they cook with the coconut.
Okay. So that's called coconut rice, coconut cream, right? So in Sri Lanka we can find this kiribat actually. We try what's the taste. Actually it's the same taste. Okay. This is the chicken. Of course everyone knows fried chicken, and this is the
Fry egg.
egg. So we're going to try this, and also they will garnish with the cucumber.
They call
Let's try.
timun in Malay.
Hmm? Timun. Okay, let's try that. On a big container. I saw that your queue up very long. Like 15 to 20 minutes you queue up. Then you got this. And what is this called?
Because of the
So those are actually Malay traditional food, right? Breakfast.
breakfast.
Okay. So can you explain what is that?
This is a mee rebus.
This is a mee rebus. Okay. So
The ingredient with the tofu.
this is the kind of garnished bread.
No, it's a tofu.
Tofu. Okay.
Fried tofu.
Then there's a lemon here.
Okay, the chili noodle with the gravy.
Yellow noodle. Can
Yeah.
I take that? Okay, this is the yellow noodle
With the gravy.
with the gravy. What is the gravy? Is it special gravy?
Yeah, thick gravy.
Oh, there's the one egg here.
Yeah,
Yeah, big egg.
thick gravy.
So, okay. So this is called mee rebus.
Yeah.
So we'll have to mix it and squeeze this lemon.
Yeah.
Or lime.
Okay.
Then have to eat. Okay, what is the next? What is this? Is a nice white color like
Okay,
cake.
this we call Malay food also. Is lontong.
Lontong.
Yeah. This
Okay.
is this kind. We have two types. One is a wet. One is this is a dry.
Dry version of
This
lontong.
rice cake.
Okay, rice cake. Let me see. What is the rice cake? Actually, this is a compressed rice.
Yeah.
When they cook, how they method of cook? It's like
Steam,
put in the
steam.
steam.
Yeah. They steam
Compress.
the big.
Okay, so this is like
This is a mix.
bean with the tofu. And there's some chili here,
chili,
and the bergedil, what we see in the nasi lemak, bergedil, and also bergedil here. So Malay food is bergedil is one of the
Famous.
famous, I think.
This is
This is a cuttlefish.
cuttlefish sambal we call it.
Cuttlefish sambal. Look like very
Spicy.
spicy.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, let's try one by one. Okay, we try the nasi lemak first. Okay, that one.
I want to explain what?
Okay, Vicky going to explain next
This is-
traditional Malay breakfast here. So we see, I can tell maybe there's a yellow noodle here, and there's some garnishing with the chicken, shredded chicken, and bergedil again.
Okay.
Okay, the bergedil is, I say, is a cutlet. Okay,
This
what is the name called this?
This is a soto ayam.
Soto ayam.
This soup.
What is a soto? Is a fish.
No, soto is a soup.
Soup name. Okay.
Ayam is a chicken.
Ayam is chicken. Okay, soto
This is
ayam.
this is soto soup.
Soto soup.
Okay, they
It's
cook
quite
with
oily.
they cook with the chicken. Boil it with the chicken.
Okay.
Okay, the soup really tastes of chicken soup.
Chicken soup.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is a special. This is again
Soto ayam.
soto ayam.
This is what they call yeah.
Nasi
No.
lontong.
Lontong, dry lontong.
Dry lontong. This one. Mee rebus. Mee rebus and nasi lemak. Okay, let's try that nasi lemak first. Okay, Vicky, let's start.
Go.
Let's try it. So, this is a kiribat in Sri Lanka. So, it's actually coconut rice. Doesn't look like kiribat actually, but the way they cooking exactly like kiribat. Kiribat Lankaවෙන් කිව්වොත් අපි kiribat coconut cream දාලා තමයි ඉවරන්නේ. ඉතින් මෙතනත් ඒ විදිහටම තමයි කරලා තියෙන්නේ. මේක කියන්නේ nasi lemak කියලා. ඔව් ඇත්තටම ටේස්ට් එක අපේ කිරිබත් එක වගේම තමයි. මේක මැලේ main traditional food breakfast එක nasi lemak. So අපි බලමු මේ ඔතා කියන එක මොකක්ද කියලා. මේක තමයි මම දිගාරින ඔතා කියලා. දැන් පත්තරයක් වගේ දිගාරින්නේ. But it's quite interesting. So what I found inside this one. So this is the inside was this paper. So this is try that. Okay. So this is like a fish paste.
The mesh.
Yeah, then they cook, wrap with the banana leaf, so called. Then they burn under the fire. Okay. Quite sweet and fishy. Of course, it's fish. Then yeah, maybe we have to mix with that. Otherwise, quite strong taste and this sweet taste is there. Okay, you can start with that. You can eat that. I don't eat that.
Bergedil, come and look how they look like. Good.
Yeah, this is a bergedil. Like අපේ නම් ලංකාවේ නම් cutlet. මේක bergedil මේක mashed potato එක. Mashed potato එක deep fry කරලා දෙන්නේ. ඉතින් බලමු try කරලා නේද? Yeah. Exactly like cutlet, but no hot actually, not spicy. Saranai potakwa, but sweet. ඉතින් මේ chili එක තමයි මෙතන ඉතාම වැදගත් වෙන්නේ. මේ nasi lemak එක කියන chili එක ඉතාම වැදගත් chili එකක්. ඒ කියන්නේ වැදගත් කියන්නේ හරිම secret recipe එකක් තියෙන්නේ. අපි බලමු taste කරලා. ඔව්. ඒකත් හරියටම fish taste එකක් එන්නේ. That's right.
Very important is the chili.
Very spicy actually. Lucky I got my teh tarik. Teh alia, ginger tea. Okay, let's try. This is the egg, of course, and this is anchovies. අපි ගිමු හාල් මැස්සුව, චූටි හාල් මැස්සුවක deep fry කරලා දෙන්න. ඉතින් අපි යනවා පටන් ගමු වැඩි. Okay guys, actually we queue up. It's about 20 minutes. අපිට මේක ඉවර කරන්න බෑ. We can't finish it. So anyway, just to show you guys what is the Malay food. So you put it one side. I'm sorry about it. Okay, I'm going to try. This is your name again?
Soto ayam.
Soto ayam. Let's try a small portion. Soto ayam. Maybe we share. Soto ayam. Actually, it's a yellow noodle again, and it's a shredded chicken and a bergedil. So we have to mix it well together. Then like that. So we have to eat it. Very tasty, very nice. Herbal taste actually, chicken taste as well. The chicken is very tender. Yeah, nice. Let's try that. Okay, we already done a lot, but still very full. So I go with the teh alia. Teh alia is the ginger tea again. So I'm going to try this. That's another unique breakfast in Malay breakfast you can find. This called lontong. Lontong actually is a compressed rice. So when you're cooking already, when you are done the cooking, you already form like this. So they will cut into slices and they have a done the little. So this kind of chili especially, and then go with the fish and then coconut curry. Yeah, it's a long bean with
Tofu.
tofu. Mix with the coconut gravy. Very nice. We have to dip like that.
This sambal is sweet.
Sweet sambal. Yeah.
Eat and see.
Finally. Yeah, this chili looked like very
Sweet.
very spicy, but it's sweet chili. The one thing I told you, every different chili is different. So this chili look like chili, but it's so sweet. Quite interesting. This is the lontong. Yeah, this is a cutter dish.
Sri Lanka
This
said
look like spicy. But sarai wage dane no. They make a
spicy, huh?
khala balum.
Try.
Yeah, it is very spicy and very delicious. And of course, people who like spicy food, they love it. This is the lontong because this rice cake is very nice taste. Totally, of course, rice, but it's very nice. So if it's spicy, you can mix with this. Really unique breakfast Appreciate Vicky. Really nice. Those three items they today choose, but there's a more varieties in Malay breakfast and a dessert, a lot of sweet. So we will meet up another video today. Let's enjoy the long talk. අපි යමු වටයක් ගිහලා බලන්න මොන වගේ කැමද ආවේ තියෙන්නේ කියලා. ඉතින් තාමත් මෙතන දිග පොලිමක් තියෙනවා. There's a long queue still have. So a lot of breakfast varieties. So මෙතන Indian අදම් Indian rojak කියන තැන තියෙන්නේ. Rojak කියන්නේ බොහොම colourful dish එකක්. ඉතින් ආට මතක ඇති අපි නිරබුස් එක ගත්තේ මෙන්න මේ කඩේ. නිරබුස් තියෙන්නේ නිරබුස් එක. දැන් තාමත් long queue එකක් තියෙනවා. දිග පොලිමක් තියෙනවා. ඉතින් මෙතන drinks වර්ග. ඒකට මෙතන තියෙන්නේ සතේ. ගොඩක් yummy taste. සතේ තියෙනවා. එතකොට මෙතන තියෙන්නේ Chinese breakfast. ඒ වගේම මේ තමයි ගොඩක් දුරට සිංගප්පූරුවේ ගොඩක් famous තැනක් මෙතන. Adam food court කියන්නේ මෙතන. ඉතින් ගොඩාක් busy තැනක්. මෙතන ඔයාලට පේනවා ඉතින් beer වර්ගයක් තියෙනවා ඒගොල්ලන්. There is a beer also. So the seafood and soup, noodles. You see the long queue here? You see, it's the Adam fish ball noodle. Adam fish ball noodle කියන එක ගොඩක් ප්‍රසිද්ධ මෙතන ගොඩක් ප්‍රසිද්ධයි. ඒකයි මෙතන ලොකු queue එකක් තියෙන්නේ. සමහර කඩවල වල දැන් මේ තියෙන duck. This one is no queue. So maybe there is the special on that. So this is the fruit juice. The same area you can find the fruit juice, variety of fruit juice. You can see the beetroot and bitter gourd and everything. All juice they can fresh one, and also here the fruit juice. The cold drinks. Everything is here all in one place. That's the important thing. Here we can have a drinks, cake, coffee, and also the. So this place is called Adam Food Center. Adam Food Center is a heritage of our hawker center. This is one of the heritage place. Very nice. 1971. තමයි මේක ගොඩක් අතීතයට දිව යන දෙයක්. ඉතින් අපි ගියා වටයක්ම දැන් මෙතන බොහොම ලස්සනට හරි ගස්සලා තියෙනවා. ඉතින් ඒ වගේම ගොඩක් කට්ටිය ඉන්නවා. මගේ යාළුවා තාම කනවා. Go ahead. යාළුවනේ ඔයාලට බේරලා ඉතින් මේ පිටිපස්සෙන් අපේ ඉන්නේ මැලේ ෆැමිලි එකක්. ඒ වගේම චයිනීස් මැලේ ගොඩක් කට්ටිය මෙතෙන් එනවා ගන්න. ඒ වගේම long queue ගොඩක් දිග පොලිමක ඉන්න ඕනේ හැමතිස්සෙම. ඉතින් කන්නේ නාසි ලාමා කියන එක. දැන් නම් ඒකට හොඳටම දනෝ. ගොඩක් ප්‍රශ්නේ. ගොඩක් සරයි. ඉතින් අද travel with Ricky YouTube channel එකේ ඔයාලව අදගෙන ආවේ මේ මැලේ සිංගප්පූරුවේ මැලේ බ්‍රෙක්ෆාස්ට් එක කොහොමද කියලා පෙන්නන්නේ. ඇත්තටම මැලේ බ්‍රෙක්ෆාස්ට් එක පොරේජ් වර්ගයක් තියෙනවා. ඊට වැඩිය මේ චිලි එක්ක සම්බන්ධ වෙච්ච රයිස් ගොඩක් දුරට යාළුවොත් ඒක බ්‍රෙක්ෆාස්ට් එකේ තියෙනවා. අපි වෙස්ටර්න් කල්චර් එකේදී අපි දකින අර පෝච් එග්, ඔම්ලට්, ඕට්ස් වගේ දේවල් දකින්නේ නැහැ මැලේ වලදී. මැලේ බ්‍රෙක්ෆාස්ට් එකේදී ගොඩක් හෙවි බ්‍රෙක්ෆාස්ට් එකක් තමයි යාළුවන්ට දෙන්නේ. ඉතින් හැමෝම දවස් ගෙනා